Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn different fruit names. You will also learn how to use 不要 to express the idea of do not. First, let's listen to some conversations. 小青，你还在打游戏吗？
是的。
不要打游戏了，我们一起去超市吧。
妈妈，我不想去超市，我在家做饭，好吗？
好。
妈妈，家里水果快吃完了。
我知道，我今天要买芒果、橙子、苹果，还有榴莲。
不要买榴莲，好臭。
爸爸喜欢吃榴莲。
那好吧，你可以买一些香蕉吗？
好的。小青，你还在打游戏吗？
是的。
不要打游戏了，我们一起去超市吧。
妈妈，我不想去超市，我在家做饭，好吗？
好。
妈妈，家里水果快吃完了。
我知道，我今天要买芒果、橙子、苹果，还有榴莲。
不要买榴莲，好臭。
爸爸喜欢吃榴莲。
那好吧，你可以买一些香蕉吗？
好的。Using 不要 to express the idea of do not. 不要 literally means not want, but it actually means do not here. The sentence structure is like this. 不要 plus verb. For example, 不要买榴莲 Don't buy durians. 不要吃太多快餐对身体不好 Don't eat too much fast food. It's not good for your health. Let's compare these two usages. When 不要 it's used as the literal meaning. It means someone doesn't want to do something or someone doesn't want something. For example, 我不要吃快餐 I don't want to eat fast food. And when 不要 is used in front of a sentence, it is a command or a suggestion. For example, 不要吃快餐 Don't eat fast food. Using 不要了 to express the idea of stop doing something. The sentence structure is like this. 不要 plus verb plus 了 For example, 不要打游戏了 Stop playing video games. 不要哭了 Stop crying. So what are the differences of this 不要 and 不要了? When you use 不要 to make a suggestion or a command that don't do something, this person is about to do something or this person just started doing something. For example, 不要打游戏 Don't play video games. But when you use 不要了, that person has been doing this thing for a while. For example, 不要打游戏了 Stop playing video games. 做饭 to cook or to make food. For example, 我不喜欢做饭 I don't like cooking. 我每个星期六给爸爸妈妈做早饭 I make breakfast for my parents every Saturday. 芒果 mango. 我不喜欢吃芒果 I don't like eating mangoes. 我最喜欢喝芒果汁 I like to drink mango juice the most. 橙子 orange, the fruit. For example, 这个橙子不好吃 This orange doesn't taste good. 这里的橙子很便宜 Oranges are very cheap here. 苹果 apple. 我很久没吃苹果了 I haven't eaten apples for a long time. 我会去超市买苹果 I will go to the supermarket to buy apples. 榴莲 durian. For example, 不可以带榴莲去酒店 You're not allowed to bring durians to the hotel. 这里的榴莲很好吃 The durians here are very delicious. 臭 stinky or smelly. For example, 你吃过臭豆腐吗 Have you ever eaten stinky tofu? 不要买榴莲好臭 Don't buy durians. It's really stinky. 香蕉 banana. For example, 你可以买一些香蕉吗 Can you buy some bananas? 我会做香蕉面包 I know how to make banana bread. Now it's time for a culture tip. Did you know that the durian is called the king of fruits in Asia? This is probably the only fruit that can arouse polarized opinions. Some people just love the exquisite taste and saying it's the best fruit of all. However, some people find it hard to enjoy the taste with that smell. Ultimately, whether you love it or hate it, it's a personal preference. What's your opinion on this? 你喜欢吃榴莲吗? Do you like eating durian? That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!